Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today in this video, we're gonna learn about one use case, guys. This use case is also very much important, and this type of use cases will ask in the interviews, guys. So many interviews will ask this question. I will show you the use case. So using background script, we need to print the top 10 incidents which are created latest. Okay, I will show you practically. Open your PDI and open the list of incident records and click on this created button, guys. Okay, this is not latest created one. Yeah, if you see, there are total 313 records which are created latest, guys, but I don't want to print all these 313 records. As per our use case, we need to print only top 10 incidents which are created latest. Okay, I will show you how to write a query for that. Using background script, we can achieve this use case, guys. Type here as background in the filter navigator. Yes, let me write the code here. Yeah, this is the code, guys. So first here we need to glide to the incident table. Okay, using glide record, we need to glide to the incident table. So this is the variable name. And here we need to first order by using order by descending method. We have to filter all the incidents which are created latest, guys. Okay. So by default, this order by is ascending order. If we keep here DESC means it will filter according like in descending order. Okay. So after that we need only 10 records, right? So I have set limit here using set limit method. I have selected only 10 records. This number maybe it's like maybe it's 20 based on your requirement, guys. In our use case, we need only 10 records, right? So I have selected as 10 records here. After that, we will query this. After querying, we need to print the incident numbers, right? So we have used gs.print incident dot number. Okay, let me run this script here. Yeah, if you see, these are the total 10 incidents which are created latest, guys, in the incident table. If we want to correlate means we can also do that, guys. If you see, if the first record is 592, right? Here also it is 592. Then 49787675. 49787675. 7170. 71706867. 71706867, and the final one is 66. Right. Here it is 66. So only 10 records. We print only 10 records, guys. As per our use case, we have print only 10 records. Okay. Yeah, that's it for today's videos, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in the next video, guys. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you, guys. Bye. Take care.